5 things you must know as a new content creator if you must make money from Facebook. This Facebook money, they enough for everybody. But the truth is that not be everybody will test this money. You know understand? If not like 100 content creators start the journey today, at the end of the day, now only like 5 will succeed the journey, because many will give up along the line. Because when they say the money not they come the way they expect, the money not they come, they never monetize them. Many of them will give up along the line. Now only few will succeed. You know that. So 5 things you must know or you must do now as a new content creator if you must make money from Facebook. Number 1, you see that your Facebook when you want to convert to professional Facebook, not do one. Go create Facebook page. You get why? Because I tell you something now. All the content creators when I know, including myself, where they make money from Facebook, I don't know anyone where na professional Facebook they pay. All of them na Facebook page they pay them. So don't go waste your time. Don't we know say at the year but not pass you that professional Facebook they pay. Maybe don't go waste all your time, energy and stress. Now go build the platform finish. Then you don't reach want to monetize and the content you say they're not monetizer. It's a waste of time. So to avoid that, I know the last comment of a fool, go create normal page where everybody they create a beg. So that at the end of the day it will be very easy for you to monetize them. Then number 2 thing you must do as a new content creator when they come up, if you must make money from Facebook, not go to beg big content creators may they post your videos. You know understand? Not go to beg all these big content creators who already they established may they post your videos. When does Jazzy post my video, I not go a DM go beg her. If your content is good enough, now only these people will go carry your video for them to grow their platform, because they need that your video to get engagement for their platform. Why if you say today not they post people? Today not they post video will not get engagement on its own. Say maybe you post video for TikTok or Instagram, the video you get only 2 comments. Today not go, you never carry that video. Now the one be said already get engagement on its own before, you know they perform well on its own before. You know say if you post this one for a page, people go like and people go comment, you go get engagement, and that type of video that they carry, even blogs. You know that. So now go they beg, I not beg Don Jazzy. He see my video, he love him, he love the content. You know, say if you see put up a platform, people will still share their opinion, they will still engage. And the reason why I can't go post. You know that. So now go they beg any big content creator say post me, because the truth is that even that if that content creator post you, the followers when they come meet you, when won't follow you, they don't really follow you because they like that your content. I'll tell you something now. Let's say for instance now you beg me now, make I post your video, maybe make I help you promote your page. You go pay me. Now the strategy when I want to promote your page, even if the video don't make sense now, guys, they do give away for my fans. Make una go follow so page. So majority of people when they go follow you, they don't really follow you because of say they interested in your content, but because of say I promise them money, so I want to give away. The giveaway not the reason why they follow you. So if you they post video, they not go engage. And engagement, they think they pay. They not they pay because person they follow you. If you like get 1 million followers, if those 1 million followers only watch your video, they not go pay you 1 naira. You know understand? Then number 3 thing you need to know as a new content creator, if you must make money from Facebook. Facebook money too sweet. Number 3 thing you must know as a new content creator, your dream of becoming a content creator, your passion of becoming a content creator belongs to you and you alone. You know understand? Your friends not go support you, your family members not go support you, the people you know they not go support you. Stop expecting their support. When I want to start creating content, that time things were really going rough for me, and I really need escape route when I want to relieve my condition. You know understand? So about 3 of my friends then I tell them how I make we start content. Initially they really follow me, but when they come to say result, no, they call them a skit we they do, and that skit will need 1 or 2 person to share myself to they ask the skit. I tell them say first time they come, second time before you look now, this one go tell you say I beg, I want go see my mama for one side. I'm not telling my girlfriend they come meet me today. Now so the team be. Then I got the feel bad boy. As time goes, I got to understand. Say this dream of becoming a content creator, I mean get this dream will not be them. So imagine say everybody get what they want to do with their life. Maybe now when they get dream, say you want go school and you want become graduate, become something else. You now you get the dream, now you get the passion. This will not really get the passion. So what is the essence of wasting your time? And the truth is that as long as say they never see the result where they come, they don't want to nobody won't follow you for your process. Everybody only want be part of the testimony and the result. If I tell you say those people now, those people now will be say then they be like say they don't know what they do. Then they beg me to make me and they shoot contest, make they make they introduce them for my content so that from them people will still know them. But initially these same people they post me for my face like say tomorrow no day. They make me feel like I don't know what they do. So stop expecting their support. Outside I feel like your content, if you watch your content share about your family member, the first time I take post my video, man shock you now. People screen record they screenshot when they say for TikTok. They're constant to me, they call they laugh with laughing emoji. What do you know when they talk for them? Where do you know where they talk for there? No reason, not those people where they see so. Now their own fears they won't put in you, so you will stop what you they do because they themselves they don't even know Now they not even know what they want to do with their own life. Now they say, okay, this guy dey in the journey of waiting, want to do with his life. They won't try to talk to you that make all of them at the same level. They do me that thing. So they're not going to support you. Rather, even the ones who go see your video now, they won't even mock you, make you stop. But don't stop. You know that I don't expect any support from them. Then number 4 thing you need to know if you must make money from Facebook as a new content creator: consistency. Consistency is better than anything for this life. Consistency and persistency now waiting they win the game. You know understand? It is better for you to upload one video every day. Every day of my life, I not see my page. Every day of my life, I show up. I must make sure say I post something, even in one video. It is better for you to post one video every day than say you post 10 videos today, then the next other day they not hear from you again. Consistency. You do want today. Tomorrow, are you going to do it? Yes. Next tomorrow, will you show up? Yes. Throughout the year, 365 days in a year, can you show up? Yes. You get it there. 365 days in the year, circle around and finish. Because if I don't do this, which years I won't do. I don't like if I don't do this, which years I won't really do, because at the end of the day, now this will be starting to express myself. I don't really get offline. I don't really get plenty friends. I don't even get anybody I want to relate to. Apart from people who say they work for me, which I know they are not my friends. So the only time I feel really you when they watch my video, you be my brother, now you be my sister, now you be my friend. You know that. So now this platform they feel okay, they communicate with people, they relate with people, they relate with me, they share their problem with me, and they solve their problem. They give me joy. Like so, they give me joy. You know that. Last but not the least, number 5 thing you must know as a new content creator. The journey hard. The journey hard though. He hard. Since the journey hard, you need something else. So we say you go to give you 1 or 2 because you go to sub. You know understand? You go to sub, and the result of the content no go come na. So you need something else. So if you attach yourself to, we say small thing, go fit they come. Let's be honest. Let's be real for you. You know understand? You go need money for sub. You go shop. You go feed. So let's say you do your ask money tonight. You know they go anywhere. And the content they never monetize your page. Money no they come. I don't want to survive. So you need something else. You think they do. You think they package yourself. They package the content. If not, you go fade off. You know go waste time. And the moment you know they post today, tomorrow you don't post because you not get what you shop. You never get sub to take post. Or maybe your phone even go spoil along the line. Now you want to repair your phone. How you want to buy another phone if your phone spoil lost. So you say you need another thing to take subsidy the content. Then monetize the page, because when they never monetize your content, you know go get 1 error. Except you don't get engagement, you don't feel they run advert, you be saying you collect small money. You know that stuff. So every other thing I want to say, I don't know the video not today long. Now for really thing more things we need to know about content. What really help me.